How to fix if watch video option is not being displayed on your Facebook navigation bar. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you what you can do if the watch video option is missing from your Facebook navigation bar. So let's start. First of all, open Facebook and log into your account. As you log into your account, you'll find the watch video option on the right of your home page. However, if the watch video option is not being shown on the navigation bar, what you can do is tap on the three lines on the top side of your screen, then go to video. It will take you to the same watch video section. Now in order to make the watch video option appear in your navigation bar, tap and hold on this watch video option. As you hold it, you will find this pin to navigation bar. Tap on it. Then after, the watch video option will be pinned to your Facebook navigation bar. Now unless you unpin the watch video option, it will remain here forever. So in this way you can fix the problem if watch video option is not being displayed in your Facebook navigation bar. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.